Usha Salai schools are more than just sewing classes. They're a launchpad for transformation. Beyond the needle and thread, women gain vital skills. Machine repair and tailoring are only the start. From that springboard, women also learn financial know-how, interpersonal relations, teamwork, community building, and other life skills. This holistic approach empowers them to become entrepreneurs, boosting their economic and social standing. These skills are the building blocks of self-sufficiency, creating a wave of confident women who strengthen their communities. In the northeastern state of Meghalaya, the beautiful city of Shillong recently played host to the vibrant and culturally rich Saras Mela. Organized by the government and Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society, the 5th Meghalaya Ajivika Saras Fair 2024 celebrated women entrepreneurs and their incredible journey. From handmade crafts to traditional products, the fair brought together self-help groups from across Meghalaya and beyond. A special highlight this year was the participation of women trained at Usha's Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society training cum production centers. These platforms empower women to learn, upskill, innovate, and create sustainable livelihoods.
So the partnership between MSRLS and Usha, it has been going on for some time, about 4 to 5 years now. So the idea of integrating Usha's product was something which we said that okay, it is not just about putting up a stall where these women, these didis who come and put up their products, but the idea was to let us give a face to these women who are stitching, who are working behind the curtain. And we wanted to give this platform whereby they will be able to showcase not just the product but themselves as an empowering woman, because the idea of NRLM itself is women-led enterprises, which has been the focus where we are working with Usha as well as MSRLS.
Roshnika Khongwet is one of the beneficiaries of Usha's training program with MSRLS. She was selected to craft these special gift hampers for the chief guest and other guests at the Saras Mela, marking a new level of achievement in a journey of empowerment.
हम लोग को पार्टिसिपेट करके बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. हम लोग लेके आया है ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस, टेबल मैट, बैग, क्रंची पाउच. हम लोग बहुत सारा मतलब प्रोडक्ट्स लेके आया है. मैं MSRLS उषा को मैं बहुत ज़्यादा थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ. इतना सारा सपोर्ट दिया हम लोगों को.
There were plenty of other stalls on display at the fair. Meet Jesseline Marak, who showcased her special crafted items at the fair. These creations are the result of the training she received at Usha Training Cum Production Center, where she honed her skills and brought her craft to life.
Ngaya Saras Ajivika Mela na ribait nga baka namganirang ko manamo ndike mangna aro chasong na bats nga de dao ino na ribaja bakraja ndike nga yano skang pa dao yano bike bakra inga ndike nga khushi ong a mukhang chit nga aro nambate dakang na jotun kagen.
The special highlight of this year's Saras Mela was the fashion show, a vibrant showcase of confidence, creativity, and self-reliance by women entrepreneurs. From designing their own outfits to walking the ramp, many even brought their children along, turning the stage into a powerful statement of empowerment and self-expression.
Partnership with Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society is very instrumental for Usha to empower and skill the rural women across Meghalaya. And our future plan is to develop more advanced training program to them and to support them in marketing initiative also, so that their product can reach both the local and the national level.
This is the first time that in Saras Mela we are doing a fashion show. So this is an amazing journey. You know, the people who were earlier in the cultivation field, there is a lot of transformation in their life. From the cultivation field coming to the training cum production center and making garment and wearing that garment in the ramp, it's a different experience.
Now for the last 2 years, the women are now actively taking part in the Saras Fair. Now what the first thing is that the women themselves are identifying the market, what is the products which are needed in the market. So they are identifying the demand, and then they are going through the end-to-end process of the entire finishing of the products. That is right from packaging, labeling, the entire branding. So the women now are in a position to make the products themselves and use the Saras Fair platform to ensure that these buyers sellers meet the opportunity what they are getting here to enhance their income.
Finally, it was time for the big event. As the women of Usha TCPC stepped into the spotlight, walking the ramp and owning the stage, they proved that their dreams are unstoppable. Yanupat Ringan, a young and passionate entrepreneur, reflected the excitement and joy that the women felt. It was her first time ever walking the ramp, a moment that truly reflected the hard work, dedication, and opportunities that marked her journey.
I feel so proud of myself, and I feel so happy that I got a chance to go on stage, to perform on stage, to be as a confident models, to wear my own designs, to make my own design, my own work, to show my own design there. And it was so nice, and I was so proud of myself, and it was so fun working there.
This has started as a training cum production center some time ago with very few blocks. Now we are in the expansion mode, and we can see like a lot of innovative products coming up. Now actually they also have their own branding, and also which is helping them a lot to capture the market. So the program is expanding, and apart from this training cum production center with Usha Silai, we are also doing a program where actually we are rejuvenating the Keng embroidery, which is actually practiced in a remote village near Shala Bolaganj, which is also actually, it's practiced in only one village in the entire country, and the art is actually on the verge of extinction.
Frederick Roy Kharkongor, Principal Secretary of Meghalaya, was the chief guest at the Saras Ajivika Fair. He expressed immense pride in the creativity and hard work showcased at the fair.
It's a wonderful, it's a wonderful event to see so many stalls selling diverse products, right from handlooms to food, and celebrating the craft, cuisine, culture, the food, the flavors, the fashion. So it's a wonderful coming together of so many different elements like the vibrant colors of a rainbow, and as I was mentioning, it's Usha and Urja together. So a mix of both energy as well as the dawn of light together.
As the curtains came down on the Shillong Saras Mela, the stories of these women entrepreneurs remind us that with the right platform and support, dreams can indeed take flight. Opening from tales of empowerment in Meghalaya to powerful stories of self-reliance from across India. For over 12 years, the Usha Silai School program has been a force for change through 3 distinct models: Homepreneur model, Training cum Production Centers, and Train the Trainer model. Usha has brought sewing skills to countless women, but as the program grew, a need emerged for more skilled trainers. To meet this demand, Usha invested in the existing Silai School entrepreneurs.
मैं संगीता पासवान, वेस्ट बंगाल अलीपुरद्वार डिस्ट्रिक्ट से। मेरा नाम ज्योति मेहरा है और मैं ज़िला इंदौर एमपी से हूँ। पिछले 8 सालों से उषा के साथ जुड़ी हुई हूँ और 5 साल पहले हमारा मास्टर ट्रेनिंग हुआ था। तभी से अलग अलग ज़िलों में जाकर ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड करते हैं।
मेरा नाम सुनीता देवी है, मुंगेर डिस्ट्रिक्ट के रहने वाले हैं। हम उषा में 2021 में जुड़ी, जिसमें मेरी ट्रेनिंग हुई।
मेरा नाम गुलाब जहाँ है, यूपी ज़िला हरदोई की मैं रहने वाली हूँ। मैंने सन 19 में उषा सिलाई स्कूल से जुड़ी और उसके बाद मैं सन 21 में मास्टर ट्रेनर की ट्रेनिंग ली।
एक्चुअली मैं इन कई महिलाओं को जो ट्रेनर अभी है जो सीखने आई है उनको मैं 2018 से सिखा रहा हूँ। इनमें से कई महिलाएं 2018 में सीखी है, उसके बाद इनमें से कई जन लोगों को मुझे सिखाने का मौका मिला है। और उषा का ये कायम से रहा है कि हम अपने जो ट्रेनर है उसको समय के साथ अपडेट करते रहे, तो ये एक उनको बेहतर बनाने का एक रास्ता था कि भाई एक ट्रेनिंग हो जो महिलाओं में आगे और बेहतर हो सके और बेहतर तरीके से वो सीख सके और सिखा सके।
Usha Salai School women entrepreneurs from across India have gathered in Ara, Bihar for the next milestone in their journey with Usha, an advanced training program. Women who'd built their own businesses were trained to become master trainers. Today, a network of over 500 master trainers, experts in their craft and fluent in local languages, are empowering the next generation. This not only expands the reach of Usha's program, but creates new opportunities for these women to thrive. For many women, this advanced training is more than just mastering a craft. It's about gaining even more confidence to stand on their own.
पहले हम लोग काम तो करते थे लेकिन उस लेवल पर काम नहीं कर पाते थे, लेकिन मास्टर ट्रेनिंग करने के बाद हमें भी लगता है कि हाँ हम भी कुछ कर सकते हैं।
सबसे बड़ी ये हुई कि इनकम बढ़ी। 1 रुपए से जब हम 100 रुपये पर एकदम चले गए तो उसके लिए भी बहुत अंदर से खुशी महसूस हुई और मेरे घर वालों को भी कहीं ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा।
मास्टर ट्रेनर बनने के बाद तो मुझे अच्छा लगा क्योंकि उसके बाद मैं किसी और को भी सिखा सकती हूँ। अब मैं आई हूँ यहाँ पर एडवांस लेवल के टेबल में से सीखने के लिए।
मेरा पारिवारिक भी बहुत कमज़ोर थी, लेकिन इस लेवल से मैंने इतने हम किए कि हम आगे और अपने खुद के बल पर बच्चे को पढ़ा रहे हैं।
Usha's training goes beyond sewing and stitching, encompassing sewing machine repair, maintenance, financial literacy, design, life skills, and health education. With these value-added skills, they are now able to turn their passion into a profession, creating a sustainable livelihood for themselves and their families.
पहले जो मैंने सीखा वो मास्टर ट्रेनिंग का, उसमें क्या है जो हम पूरे अच्छे से जो जैसे गारमेंट्स बनते हैं वैसे सीखे। अभी एडवांस लेवल्स में ऐसे सीखे हैं कि ताकि हम बॉडी माप जो जितना पैटर्न बनाना है ना वो चीज़ हम सीख रहे हैं। तो वो सबसे ज़्यादा हमें लगा कि हमको बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट जो हमारे लिए आगे भी काम आएगी। सिर्फ एक चेस्ट का माप लेकर के कैसे पूरे बॉडी का माप हम गारमेंट तैयार कर सकते हैं वो चीज़ हम सीख रहे हैं। तो इस चीज़ के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा।
बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने को मिली है। किस तरीके से मतलब पहली बार जब कोई सीखने आता है तो पहली बार में सब कुछ नहीं सीख पाता है, तो उसके साथ हमको कैसा व्यवहार करना चाहिए जो उसमें सीखने की एक लगन लगे और हमें सिखाने में भी मज़ा आए।
हम जब जाते थे सिखाने ना या घर पर ही तो थोड़ा बहुत लगता था कि हमको गलती होता है, लेकिन नहीं, उससे मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस और जिज्ञासा बढ़ते चला जाता था कि उन लोग को सिखाते थे तो लगता था कि नहीं हम कुछ है।
एक ट्रेनर तो थी, ट्रेनिंग तो कराते थे, पर यहाँ पर आके जो सीखा है वो कुछ अलग नया ही था कि जो हम लोग किसी प्रोडक्ट को तैयार करने के लिए जो मटेरियल खरीदते हैं उसकी कॉस्ट कैसे हमें निकालना है।
Beyond financial independence, this journey is about reshaping mindsets, breaking barriers, and inspiring others in their community.
इसके बाद तो फ्यूचर प्लान तो दिमाग में बैठा हुआ है जो जा कर के सबसे पहले तो ये जेंट्स गारमेंट को अच्छे से तैयार करके हमको करना है और आगे भी सिखाना है इसी चीज़ को, ताकि इस चीज़ को हम पकड़े रखें। जैसे अभी हम सीख रहे हैं बॉडी माप लेना, एक चेस्ट का माप से पूरे बॉडी का माप से तैयार करना, ये चीज़
आगे जाके हम स्वयं का खुद का भी रोजगार खोल सकते हैं। अभी हम दूसरों का काम करते थे, दूसरे कस्टमर हमारे पास काम करवाने आते थे तब हम उनका काम करते थे, लेकिन अब हम इतने मतलब बन चुके हैं कि अपने आप में हमको इतनी खुशी है कि अब हम दूसरों को मतलब अपने यहाँ रोज़गार दे सकते हैं, बड़े पैमाने पर हम काम कर सकते हैं।
जो मेरा एक छोटा सा प्रोडक्शन सेंटर है उसको मैं बड़ा करूँगी। उसके साथ साथ में ये मैंने सोचा है कि अभी मेरे साथ जो 15 महिलाएँ काम कर रही हैं वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 20-25 महिलाएं एक साथ हम लोग काम कर सकें। और मेरा एक सपना है, मेरी एक बिटिया है, मेरा अपना घर नहीं है, हम अम्मी पापा के घर में रहते हैं और मेरा कि खुद का घर हो जाए और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा महिलाओं को हम रोज़गार से जोड़ें ताकि मेरी इनकम के साथ उनकी इनकम जब बढ़े तो मुझे खुशी महसूस हो, मेरे उषा को भी बहुत खुशी देखकर महसूस हो।
The impact of Usha Salai School goes far beyond the sewing machine. It's about dreams realized, futures reimagined, and a new generation of women entrepreneurs leading the way.
In Usha International, we believe to upgrade the skill of every individual. As part of this belief system, in Usha Silai School also, we are continuously refining and upgrading the skills of rural women. So the training program which we have organized, this is 15 days residential training program for the women. These women are actually master trainers who are already having and conducting training to the rural women, and they are going to different districts and states also. As part of this initiative, they would be getting input on working on high-end sewing machine, like industrial sewing machine, motorized sewing machine. At the same time, they would be getting input on advanced sewing and stitching skill also. So I believe this input will help them to enhance their skill and competency so that they may undertake more training sessions for advanced skilling to the more number of rural women.
After the break, we see how Usha is providing the right technical exposure of a variety of sewing machines to women and is helping them pace up the journey towards their dreams. Roha in Maharashtra, a region where industry and tradition coexist. Here, a powerful collaboration is unfolding, weaving empowerment into the fabric of everyday life, transforming futures with every thread. Usha and Sudarshan Training Cum Production Center in Roha goes far beyond teaching sewing. It empowers women with a comprehensive suite of skills, from sewing machine repair and maintenance to financial literacy, design, input, and health education. These skills are transformative and enabling women to run enterprises efficiently, diversify their income, and elevate their social and economic status.
टीसीपीसी में ये होता है कि एक जगह पे सारा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अवेलेबल होता है, अंडर वन रूफ ऑल रिक्वायर्ड मटेरियल फॉर टीसीपीसी एक जगह पे होता है. जैसे डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ सिविंग मशीन है जिसमें अलग अलग मशीन के हमारे कॉम्बिनेशंस होते हैं. जैसे हाफ शटल सिविंग मशीन होता है, फुल शटल सिविंग मशीन होता है, इंडस्ट्रियल मशीन होता है, एम्ब्रॉयडरी और लोगो मेकिंग के लिए हमारा मेमोरी क्राफ्ट 450 मशीन होता है, जिसके तहत सारा महिलाओं को एक्सपोजर मिल सके और वहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग के बाद में वहाँ पे हमारा प्रोडक्शन भी स्टार्ट हो सके.
Sudarshan Chemical Industries Limited, a leader in the color and chemical industry for over 60 years, has joined hands with Usha to set up a training cum production center in Roha. This initiative is part of Sudarshan's CSR efforts to empower women through skill development.
When we were looking at women empowerment, one of the things which we found is that the village women have the core competency of stitching. They are very good at stitching, and most important, we needed a partner who has done this before and who could come at the ground level and work with our women. So while we were really working and looking at different options, one of the options which came to us was Usha. With Usha, we requested them for reference check. We visited their projects. We saw how they were delivering the projects, and we were delighted to see that all the projects were running extremely well, where there were women who were empowered into this skill.
The Sukushal Training Cum Production Center is equipped with a range of Usha sewing machines, from standard foot-operated machines to advanced digital sewing machines capable of automatic embroidery. Under the guidance of skilled trainers, women are learning to operate the advanced machines, ensuring precision and efficiency in their work.
सिलाई मशीन में हमारे पास 3-4 तरह की सिलाई मशीन यहाँ पर जो सेंटर में है 3-4 तरह की मशीनें हैं. उसमें फर्स्ट जो हमारे पास में है रोटरी स्टिच मास्टर, जो कि सेमी इंडस्ट्रियल मशीन है. वो सिंगल नीडल जो सिंपल काम करती है, स्ट्रेट स्टिच करती है, लेकिन ये इंडस्ट्रियों में भी काम आती है. जैसे घर में महिला करना चाहे, डोमेस्टिक भी है, इंडस्ट्रियल भी है, तो इसको हम लोग रूटीन वर्क में काम में लेते हैं. इसके अलावा जो हमारे पास में है हाई स्पीड मशीन है, उसका नाम है हमारे पास में ऊषा S2 बोलते हैं उसको. तो वो मशीन काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्पीड में होती है. उसमें 1 मिनट में 4500 स्टिचेस होती हैं. तो काफ़ी अच्छी मशीन है और प्रोडक्शन के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़फुल है मशीनें.
तो हमने उनको, जब मशीन भी चलाना नहीं आता था, पैडल भी नहीं चलाना आता था, तो उनको शुरुआत से सिखाया.
छोटे छोटे कपड़ों से लेके थैलियों से लेके पूरा फैशन का सिखाया। आप तो देख रहे हो ये हमारा यूनिफॉर्म ट्रेनिंग सेंटर है, तब ये सब महिला वो चलाती है।
While the women work, Sudarshan's role is to ensure that the center has the necessary resources to thrive.
What supports we are providing, it is definitely related to establishment of the infrastructure. We will provide them the area for this working, then the machines, all the supports we are going to provide, and especially the trainings, the tailoring trainings of that. Then our team will approach the customer also.
To turn this vision into reality, the variety of Usha sewing machines provided will be a driving force. Such setup enables the women to ensure end-to-end production works in large numbers with precision and quality.
At Sudarshan, basically CSR is not just only a giving back, but for us CSR is creating a legacy of change. So we are working in 5 areas like women empowerment, health, education, environment and community development. Through the Usha's collaboration, we have started our stitching unit, where our target is that to provide not only a training to 200 plus women, but we can start a separate entrepreneurship where women can become a financial independence. They can take the orders from the industrial zone.
The Usha Silai School program extends far beyond just teaching sewing skills. It equips women with a lot of other skills such as entrepreneurial skills, leadership skills, life skills, and also skills related to local handicrafts as well as embroideries, traditional embroideries. All this value-adding skills has actually created a more diverse portfolio through the Usha Silai School program which women undergo, and this has actually helped enhance their earnings.
Usha's range of sewing machines and constant hand-holding support is designed to cater support to women. Through the partnership between Usha and Sudarshan, women are gaining not just skills but confidence, independence and the power to shape their own futures. This is more than training. It's a movement where determination meets opportunity, creating ripples of change across the region.